Replacing a door may seem like a straightforward home improvement task, but it's a project that involves careful planning, professional expertise, and the right materials, especially if you want lasting results. For homeowners in Eagle, Idaho, where weather, energy efficiency, and curb appeal all matter, understanding what happens during a door replacement project can help you feel confident and prepared every step of the way. Whether you're upgrading your front entry, patio door, or interior passageways, here's what you can expect during a door replacement project in Eagle. Initial consultation and inspection. The process starts with a consultation with a door replacement expert. A technician will visit your home to assess the condition of your current door and frame and take precise measurements. Discuss your goals, such as improved security, energy efficiency, or style. Recommend door styles, materials, and features that best suit your needs. For Eagle homeowners, this stage is crucial because doors must perform well in both summer heat and winter cold, and match the architectural character of your home. Choosing the right door. You'll have the opportunity to select from a range of door styles and materials, such as fiberglass or steel for entry doors, durable and weather resistant, wood for a classic look, sliding or French doors for patio, energy efficient glass panels for added light and insulation. You can also customize finishes, colors, hardware, and side lights to enhance your home's curb appeal. A professional will guide you through these options to ensure your new door is not only functional but also beautiful. Preparing for installation day. Once your new door is ordered and ready, you'll schedule a time for the installation. Most door replacements can be completed in a single day, but preparation helps ensure a smooth process. Clear the area around the door, both inside and outside. Remove decor, furniture, rugs, or valuables nearby. And make arrangements for pets or children to stay out of the work zone. Your installation team will arrive on time with the tools and materials needed to complete the job efficiently. The removal of the old door. The first step during installation is carefully removing the existing door and frame. The team will detach the door from its hinges. Remove any trim or molding. Check the condition of the door frame and subfloor. If any hidden damage, such as wood rot or water infiltration, is discovered, they'll discuss repair options with you before proceeding. This ensures your new door is installed on a solid, weather-tight foundation. Installation of the new door. The new door will be set into place and adjusted to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. It aligns properly within the frame. Seals tightly to prevent drafts and leaks. Weather stripping, insulation, and a threshold are added to ensure maximum energy efficiency. In Eagle's variable climate, this step is key to keeping your home comfortable year-round. Once the door is secured, the installers will attach new trim or molding and make any final adjustments. Clean up and final walkthrough. A professional crew will clean up the work area, removing all debris, old materials, and tools. You'll then complete a final walkthrough with the installer to test the door's function and lock, inspect the fit and finish, ask any final questions about maintenance or warranty. You'll also receive documentation on your door's warranty and care instructions, helping you protect your investment over time. Final thoughts. A simple upgrade with big impact. Replacing a door may seem like a small change, but it can have a big impact on your home's comfort, security, and appearance. In Eagle, where homes range from traditional to modern, a professionally installed door can elevate your home's style and performance in every season. By understanding what to expect during the door replacement process, you can plan with confidence and enjoy the results for years to come. Thinking about upgrading your door? Contact a trusted Eagle-based contractor to explore your options and schedule your consultation today.